we are honored and thrilled to be co-hosting this very impactful PAWS workshop.
The reason why we have invested in the Performance Achievement Workshop Series, PAWS, is because the municipalities and the utilities that we work with, they're very eager to share experiences with each other and to compare notes, and through that sharing to actually better their own performance.
PAWS is the unique opportunity to bring together ROCKBlue's utility partners to foster a spirit of cross-learning, as well as to help our utilities plan for their future, to focus on their performance improvement process.
Everyone has put in their best, and we are not just sharing for the purpose of sharing. We are all sharing to ensure that we benefit the partners, we benefit the communities that we serve.
This is my first attendance, but so far it's been very helpful and insightful because we have a collection of water utilities from different countries who have converged. They tell their stories, their difficulties, and their challenges. So other countries have also gone through such experiences. So they bring their success stories on board for us to buy in, and we go to our country and try it. Once it has helped in solving a problem in one country, we are all African countries, it's likely to be successful.
You come up with a sort of like a package of solutions to utility problems, as it were, particularly with regards to provision of water.
Meeting for the first time here physically since the COVID pandemic has actually brought quite a lot of positives. We're able to interact and network closely and physically, and also hear some of the success stories.
Operation Water and ROCKBlue are two nonprofits which were founded to help solve the water crisis. While the two organizations have very different yet complementary approaches and skill sets to solve the water crisis, both organizations fundamentally believe that it is essential for governmental water service providers to play the primary role in providing access to the communities they serve.
Operations Water purpose is to provide water across African continent, which is aligned with the vision what Jains have. The vision is to leave this world a better place than you found it. And Jain is dedicated to improving the lives of people everywhere and for everyone, now and in future. And that's what made us sponsor this event.
We're here to support the water service providers. The PAWS workshop is one way to do that. They all get together, they can commiserate together, they can share the pain, the struggles, the challenges that they have together. And it's their one opportunity to feel like they're part of a fraternity of water service providers.
We are facing almost the same challenges as water utilities, and learning how the other utilities are resolving some of those challenges was great, because we have picked one or two things that we are going to go back home with and implement.
The knowledge and experience that you gain, you will not find it anyway. And West still ROCKBlue makes use of retired, highly experienced people who have seen it all and who have gone through the process. They've got a wealth of experience.
I will encourage as many countries as possible to come and participate, because it's a forum for you to take back and build on your experiences, sharing the knowledge from other countries. Because by their coming, we can also learn from their difficulties, and then the success story will be shared across. And it's a solution for all, solution for Africa.